Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you spermatogenesis. Children, you know sexually reproducing animals reproduce by fusion of gametes. Gametes are produced in primary gonads, primary reproductive organs. The process of gamete formation in sexually reproducing organism is called gametogenesis. There are two types of gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Male gametes are spermatozoa, female gametes ova. So the process of formation of male gametes, spermatozoa, in the testes is known as spermatogenesis, and the process of formation of female gamete ova in the ovaries is known as oogenesis. So children, you have to study here spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis occur in male gonads, that is testes. Each testis is composed of many seminiferous tubules, and seminiferous tubules have cells of germinal epithelium. Cells of germinal epithelium which enter the process of spermatogenesis are called primary germ cells. These primary germ cells are diploid because they have paired number of chromosomes. Primary germ cells undergo multiplication by repeated mitotic division, and a large number of unspecialized cells are produced. So this is the primary germ cells. These primary germ cells enter multiplication. This first step of spermatogenesis is multiplication. During the multiplication by repeated mitotic division, a large number of diploid cells are produced. These are diploid cells. These unspecialized diploid cells which are produced in the testes from primary germ cells are called spermatogonia. All these cells are spermatogonia. Now next phase of spermatogenesis is growth phase. So in the growth phase, this is the growth phase, the spermatogonia is plural, spermatogonium. One cell will enter in the growth phase. That cell get enlarged. The dense cytoplasm, it has get enlarged. So this enlarged cells is called primary spermatocyte. Now next phase is the maturation phase. Maturation phase, there is meiosis division. Children, you know meiosis division is completed in two successive divisions. One is meiosis 1, second is meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is called primary maturation division, and meiosis II is called secondary maturation division. Primary spermatocyte undergo first maturation division, that is meiosis I. Then from this cell, two haploid daughter cells are produced. These haploid daughter cells have chromosomes, half the number of chromosomes which are present in the primary spermatocyte. Now these cells are called secondary spermatocyte. Now secondary spermatocyte further divide by second maturation division. So there from each two cells, so in this way from primary spermatocyte, 4 spermatids are produced. These are the spermatids. So this is in the maturation phase. These spermatids are rounded in shape. They have spherical nucleus. Now spermatid undergo transformation. The process of transformation is known as spermiogenesis. So we can define the process of transformation of a circular spermatid to a spermatozoon or sperm is called spermiogenesis. So from the spermatid, now sperm are spermatozooms are produced. These structures are spermatozoon. So this is the process of spermiogenesis. Now these spermiogenesis move and they are coming in the epididymis. There they get mature and they become mobile. Now there are many factors which are affecting the process of spermatogenesis. The factors which are affecting, they are some hormones, gonadotropin releasing hormones which released by hypothalamus, and gonadotropins luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and interstitial cells stimulating hormones. These hormones are released from the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Testosterone hormones, that is released by Leydig cells or interstitial cells. So these are the hormones. They are stimulating and they are affecting the process of spermatogenesis.